Honorable Bombay High Court at Goa was today pleased to issue notice to the uh, Goa government and Gopal KANDA'S company, which is fraudulently trying to get a casino license to run a new casino. In fact, I have sought that the earlier order passed by the Honorable High Court on 1st of August be recalled, because that order was passed after the court being misrepresented of the correct facts. The additional Advocate General Datta Lavande misled the court that the government had favorably decided to renew the expired license of Gopal Kanda's casino. Uh, there is a cabinet decision of 2013 that no casino licenses will be renewed. So, contrary to that, the court was kept in the dark about that cabinet decision, and uh, and the law also says that once the license expired, it cannot be renewed. You would have to make a fresh application. So, this is a move by the Goa government to high-handedly bring a new casino through the back door. So, I've placed all the facts before the court and sought the recall of that court, because that court order of 1st August 2016 was obtained by Gopal Kanda in connivance with the government by doing a fraud on the court and misrepresenting the court. So the matter will be now heard next week.